Stuck with an unpublished Namecheap site? Here is exactly how to get it live on your own domain in minutes. So you have built your whole website using Namecheap SiteMaker, and now you are staring at that publish button wondering why it is not just working. I have been there. It can be frustrating when you have done all the hard design work and your site is still stuck in the editor. But here's the good news. The process is really straightforward once you know the steps.
We will start from the editor. Click Publish, add your domain, choose SiteMaker, and purchase a subscription to go live. By the end of this, your site will be out there for the world to see. So first things first, you need to be inside your website editor. This is where you have been building your pages and adding your content. Go ahead and open up your site in edit mode. Make sure you have saved all your recent changes. You do not want to lose anything right before we publish.
Now that you are in the editor, look for the Publish Your Website button. It's usually pretty easy to spot. It might be in the top navigation bar or a sidebar. Click on that. This is where the magic starts. The system knows you want your site live, but it needs to know where you want it to live. All right, next step. A window will pop up asking you to start by adding a domain. This is the web address people will type to find your site. If you already own a domain through Namecheap, this is where you connect it. If you do not have one yet, do not worry. You will see options here. Click on Start by adding a domain to publish your website on. Now, this is where it gets a little specific. You will see a few different options for how to connect your domain. What you want to do is look for the option that says SiteMaker. Click on that. And here is the thing. You might have to click on SiteMaker a couple of times. The interface can be a little picky about confirming your selection, so just click it once, make sure it is highlighted, and then click it again to confirm. Then click it one more time to really lock it in. I know it feels repetitive, but I have tested this myself and it is just how the system works, so just go with it. Once you have confirmed SiteMaker as your selection, go ahead and click on Continue. This will move you forward to the next step in the process. Everything's lining up. Your site, your domain, and the platform you are using. And now for the final piece of the puzzle. You need to purchase a visual subscription. This is how Namecheap lets you publish to your custom domain or even to a visual subdomain. Without this subscription, your site stays stuck in draft mode. So click on Purchase a Visual Subscription. Take a moment to look over the plans. They usually offer different tiers based on how many pages or features you need. Pick the one that fits you best and complete the purchase. This might take just a minute to process while the payment goes through. Once it is confirmed, your site should go live almost instantly. You will likely get a confirmation message and see that your status changes from unpublished to live. And that is it. Your Namecheap website is now live on your own domain. It took just a few minutes and a few clicks, but the result is huge. You went from having a site nobody could see to having your own corner of the internet. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. Type in your domain and see your work in the wild. It is a great feeling when that page finally loads.